Have I ever showed you my beautiful, huge cedar tree that we happen to have? Spring is coming. I got some projects. Good morning. We're losing the blue skies to stormy clouds. And what I have never had is a storm shelter. And I've always said if I got a storm shelter, I want one that is above ground. I don't like to spend any time in a shelter at all. I don't want to be underground. I'm here in my newly brightly lit shop and get the lamp that I saw that I need to have in the cabin, in the storm shelter. I know I saw it in here. You know, I bet it was on Kevin's side because it was so dark. We couldn't see in there at all. And I know I saw it sitting somewhere. I don't know. Let me go over here and look on his side. Shoot, I thought it was right there. I know I have some in the camper that I can rob and take down in the hole. It's really light in there in the day. And, you know, it's the nighttime and when the tornado's going over. I've grown up in Arkansas. My parents grew up in Oklahoma, raised us in Arkansas. So tornadoes are just a part of our life here. Where did that go? Yeah, I got to get out here and get something done about this black on here. Pressure wash it, like I said, and then I have some paint. Yeah, it needs some cleaning, and I think I'm gonna go get a vacuum. I think I'd rather vacuum. And here we are inside. It's kind of creepy. I'm going to vacuum it all and wipe it all. It's not bad though. I mean, really, it could be a lot worse. I've seen them a lot worse. I've had to go in them in a lot worse shape. Here's the bad part. This is so full of bugs and stuff, and I'm not gonna be in here sucking air that's coming through roaches and such. Oh, this is really gooey. Maybe I can reuse it. Man, come on. Let me just knock y'all out of there a little bit. Yeah, let's just. Oh my Lord. Come on. And of course I gotta use my fingers. Oh! Oh Lord, I see black with an egg in there. I sure do. It looks old, but I see. Oh yeah, there she is. Black widow. Please stay tonight. Stay for this storm, please. The room's very clean enough to even do this, but I'm gonna do it. And see, now here's a hanging hook for a light. That's nice to have. I need to bring that light out here. I just gotta get my camper key and get it out. Oh Lord, I need that vacuum working. Oh, I got it. I got that vacuum working. And there it is. As clean as I'm gonna get it right now. I have a flashlight there, I have a flashlight down there, and a candle and a cigarette lighter. This is a flower bed by my side door. And of course, you know, our heat pump is there. This is uneven brick, and that's a tripping thing to me. So I think I might remove these here. That one's busted anyway. And we know these are individual bricks. I have plenty of them out by the storm shelter if I want to replace them. They go all the way up, and look how kind of wonky and uneven they are. And I don't mind. That's cool. Oh, wouldn't you know, it comes on.
And everybody's got to run, and ain't nobody gonna hold you. And everybody needs someone. Don't try to go alone. Don't say I never told you. When you wake up tomorrow and your heart ain't feeling right, I'd love to steal up all of, say goodbye to pain and sorrow every day and every night. I once heard somebody say, this is living don't come easy, and you never find your way. And if you try and walk alone, you're already lost, believe me. And if the word rings true, and there's darkness before light, find somebody and get together, make love last forever, every day and every night. When the whole damn world is beating you down, what about when you get burned from the tricks you never learned, and now you're dead on the ground? The story's sad, but it's true, and it can get the best of anyone. right. Found love to steal or borrow. Say goodbye to pain and sorrow every day and every night. Every day.
It looks like all of the leaves and the limbs, debris, the decomposed limbs and things have been holding the metal down. Looks like we got some wind blown up edges, so he will have to get the right kind of screws because we don't have any to my knowledge, but we'll go to the hardware store and get some. We'll get it fixed. Man, that's blowing in my eye. Yeah, over there. It's kind of bare right there. I have now officially collected everything that I need for my Hugelkultur. I gotta dig out the dirt. That's all I gotta do. Have my large, medium, smaller. I've just been waiting on my green leaves. You gotta push me back, get a little more on there, one more right. We had a frost. It dropped down 2 days, like we knew it would. It's what, March 18th? 19th? And April 8th, I think, is the last possible freeze date here. So, oh, I wish y'all could see this beautiful hawk. I'm fixing to start putting my bed in. I have to help another friend get ready for an event. And I need to go help another friend put in some windows. So we're going to be quite busy. You know, that's what we wanted in our retirement. We didn't want to be sitting on the couch. We wanted to stay busy. And we're doing it, living it.